Industrialized building system, IBS, is a technique of construction whereby components are manufactured in a controlled environment, either on-site or off-site, and transported, positioned and assembled into construction works. In Malaysia, there are 5 main IBS groups, which is precast system, formwork system, steel framing system, blockwork system, and prefabricated timber framing. IBS system may cause less wastage, reduce unskilled workers, better quality control, safer and more organized site, reduce construction time and cost. Pad footing is the support used at a point load. They may be circular, square or rectangular, and consists of a block or slab of the thickness. The pad are usually shallow, but deep one can be found depending on the structure. A column can be defined as a vertical structural member designed to transmit a compressive load. A column transmits the load from roof, slab and beam, including its own weight to the foundation. A beam is a structural member, which spans horizontally between supports and carries load, which act at right angles to the length of the beam. They are small in cross-section compared with their span. The width and depth are less than span per 10. A wall is a structure that defines an area, carries the load or provides shelter. The IBS wall is a patented load-bearing wall panel system designed for superior structural performance, with cost and schedule advantages. While roof is a part of a building envelope, it is covering on the uppermost part of the building or shelter which provides protection from animals and weather. A roof truss is basically a structure that includes one or multiple triangular units that include straight slender members with their ends connected via nodes. The land has been cleared and the ground is broken. Generally, excavation is carried out for the construction of the foundations, including digging holes and leveling. The foundation is built cast in situ with the welder ribcage as reinforcement. The footing is embedded within 1 meter big into soil, supporting the structure above by connecting the stump to the column. After excavation and foundation, ground beams are installed. Hollow floor slab is a well-designed floor slab with high efficiency. Only half amount of the concrete is used compared to other floor slab, and it can reach the span until 12 meters. The floor slab is connected to the beam by sitting on the beam. There is no projecting reinforcement in the hollow core slab. After that, columns are installed and then followed by the wall on the ground floor. The precast wall is connected to the beam using steel plate. The plate cast into the wall during precast process. Grout is filled at the bottom of the wall. After that, loose steel plate is welded to the cast in steel plate to make the wall straight and stable. For the wall to column connection, grout is filled at the side of the wall. After that, loose steel plate is welded to cast in plate for the horizontal moment connection. Precast staircase is manufactured from bespoke molds and can be produced as straight flights with separate or attached landings. Steel brackets are bolted to the foundation using concrete anchors. These will be used to catch the legs at the back of the stairs. Small concrete pads are set under each side of the steps toward the front of the unit. These pads are set slightly lower than the brackets so that the stairs are pitched forward for water runoff. The precast stairs are then set on the brackets and pads using a boom truck. The gusset plates are thick sheets of steel that are used to connect beams and truss members. A gusset plate can be fastened to a permanent member either by bolts, rivets or welding, or a combination of three. The bolts must be ordered separately and installed directly to concrete wall. The diagonal bracing is placed to end vertical or butterfly roof trusses. Purlins function as a form of support for rafters and a horizontal structure member in the building.